Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into an essential grooming tool that promises to bring the barbershop experience right to your home. The Jack & Rose Clippers and Trimmers Set. This professional hair clipper and trimmer set is designed to cater to all your hair grooming needs, whether you're looking to maintain a stylish haircut or trim your beard. The set includes a large hair clipper that can efficiently shave both hair and beard, alongside a smaller trimmer featuring a T-shaped blade for precise zero-gap trimming around sideburns and edges. This allows you to achieve that fresh salon-quality look without stepping foot outside. The trimmer's T-blade design cuts down to an impressive 0.08 mm, while the adjustable blade ranges from 0.8 mm to 2 mm, providing versatility for various styling preferences. Using the Jack & Rose clippers was a breeze. The cordless design made it easy to maneuver, whether I was trimming my own hair or giving a family member a haircut. I was pleasantly surprised by how quiet the high-performance motor is, effortlessly gliding through thick or curly hair as if it were soft butter, reducing the chances of any uncomfortable plucking. Now, let's talk performance. During my testing, I found the clippers to be remarkably effective, delivering a clean, smooth shave with minimal effort. The sturdy carbon blade construction outperformed ceramic blades I've tried in the past, eliminating the worry of snagging or pulling hair. It's particularly user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to master their grooming skills at home. As for the pros, this set is packed with features that make it stand out. The long-lasting battery provides an impressive 240 minutes of use for the clippers and 180 minutes for the trimmer on a single charge, perfect for multiple grooming sessions. The inclusion of 10 clipper guide combs and 4 detailed trimmer guide combs ensures you have the right tool for every job. However, the only con I noticed is that it may take some time to get used to the different lengths provided by the guide combs, but that's a small price to pay for such versatility. When compared to similar products on the market, the Jack & Rose Clippers and Trimmer set holds its own, especially in terms of performance and features. While there are cheaper alternatives available, many lack the quality and durability that this set offers. If you're on a budget, you might consider brands like Remington or Wall, but keep in mind that you may be sacrificing some performance. In terms of value for money, I believe this set is a solid investment. Not only does it save you money on weekly barber visits, but the quality and versatility make it suitable for the whole family. Plus, the quiet operation is a fantastic feature for parents trimming their children's hair, ensuring a stress-free experience. The build quality is impressive, with sturdy materials that feel durable and reliable. I've had no issues with design flaws or durability thus far, and the user-friendly elements make it easy for anyone to use. Additionally, customer support has been responsive and helpful, which is always a plus when investing in grooming tools. Throughout my real-world testing, I put the clippers through various scenarios, from trimming my hair to refining my beard, and each time, they delivered outstanding results. I've also been impressed with the thoughtful addition of a 3-second child lock feature to prevent accidental starts when the clippers are stored away. In conclusion, the Jack & Rose Clippers and Trimmer set gets my recommendation. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this set is equipped to handle your grooming needs with ease. If you're considering investing in a quality hair clipper and trimmer set, I believe this product is worth it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content and help others discover our channel. You can find the link to purchase this product in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences if you own this set already. Happy grooming!